Hi friends. Firstly, please accept my apology that I have not been able to upload the videos as frequently as I was doing before. The reason being I had few personal commitment, including planning to buy a house. I'll be making separate video on that, in fact series of video, as I am experiencing the housing market, and that is going to be very useful for you when you are here in Canada. You will also plan to buy house, and I'm trying to document all my learning so that you don't have to reinvent that wheel. In fact, today's video is not about housing. I had promised last week that I'll be sharing with you free resource and tools with which you will be able to find answer to any question you have in mind related to Canada, be it how to come to Canada, how to come to Canada on PR, on work visa, as student, how to get the transcript verified, is healthcare free, I am already having a stable job, is it a good idea to come to Canada? Any such question you have in mind, you will find answer to that, and that is the promise I'm making to you. These tools are very useful tools, so don't miss out. Do watch the video till the end, as I'll be sharing every single tool with their use. So if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and press the like button and do subscribe. Also check out my website, where I have tried to organize all my learning so that it is readily available to you the way you really want. So without wasting much time, the first and foremost tool which you must be aware is this website, canada.ca. Now you see this is the official website of Government of Canada. Once you come down and you click here, immigration and citizenship, and on this page, once you scroll down, you see here you find information which are latest flights from India and Pakistan, suspended flights from India and Pakistan, from which date that has been mentioned. For the resident of Hong Kong, Canada government has opened a new program, so that detail has been given. And once you come down, you want to immigrate, study, new immigrants, you want to visit Canada, you want to work in Canada, if you are looking for citizenship, and if you are Canadian. So this page has all the resources what you need, and this is super useful. When I started my journey, I went through every single word which mattered to me, and that gave me a lot of confidence. Now some of you will come back and tell me that we know this website and we know that it is super useful, but we want to know the user side of the story. So for that, this is the website, canadavisa.com. Now the good thing about this website is that it is a forum where people have shared their first-hand experience. Say you have question that can I get PR for Canada with low IELTS score and job offer. So let us see if somebody has responded to this, and you can see here, can I get PR for Canada with low IELTS score and job offer. Once you go into this canadavisa.com, in this forum people have shared their question, and then people have also given their answer. This is a super useful forum. Now if you go to their main website homepage, you can see here express entry, skilled worker, Canadian experience class, provincial nomination program, family class sponsorship, caregiver pathway. In this forum people have shared their personal experience. This is super useful website. You must know how to use this. You can go and check the answers what people have given. Now they have few resources and tools on their website, like the immigration calculator. I would say that use the calculator which is there on Canada government's website, www.canada.ca. that is the latest, updated, and that is the only calculator you require. You don't have to check these calculator. These forums are really interesting and it will answer most of your questions. Now for some reason you are not able to find the answer to the question what you have, I will give you another tool which will be very useful and handy for you. But before that, say you have started with your Canada immigration journey and you really want to know where things are, and you want to know if there is a place where you will find all information in one place. So for that, this is the website My IMMI Tracker. You see here on this website you can find information related to Canada, Australia, US and New Zealand. Now let me go in and I will show you what all data points this website has. These are people like you and me who come and keep updating on their profile. So you see here all this information you can read through. Analyze visa processing time. So you want to know where things are, and you see here again there are forums here. FSW Outland eAPR Tracker. Now these might not be very familiar to you. When you start your process you will get to know them. You just have to know that this forum will be able to give you all the tracker what you are looking for. See here, this has just been updated 3 hours ago. Let me click here and show this to you. Okay, you see here this has people's username. These are real people who are going through the process. You can find comments also, you can find it at your time. Date created, last updated, what is the Canada landing date, which location are they from, what is the dispatch date. You can go through this entire tool. You will get a hang of it. So this is again very super useful tool. You don't have to ask anyone, you just have to come here and see. Say you have started today and after 3 months you want to know if someone had started along with you, where things are, you will get to see it here. I wish I knew all this tracker when I started my Canada journey. Now if you're not able to find answer to the questions what you have in canadavisa.com, the other place where you can find the answer is Quora. Here you can drop your question and somebody would have responded. See, this is the place where I respond to people's question. You see here, okay, this is available in open forum, and that way the community also get to know how to do certain things. So if you have a question, either it has already been answered and you can find the answer here. If not, you can go and add your question, and when you add the question it will show you options. In fact, people who have been responding, you can go and select them. Like I respond to anything related to Canada which I know. You can see here this is the long list where I have answered to specific questions, and this way you get information right at your desktop. You don't have to go to any other forum. Now Facebook and WhatsApp, they're like black hole. I don't rely, or I don't know how authentic that information is because it's very random, and there's a lot of noise which happens in these forums. So I usually don't ask questions in those forums. Instead I use this, and you will see that you get your answer right at your desktop. It's a very useful tool, Quora, remember that. Now I have talked about Canada.ca, I have talked about CanadaVisa.com, I have talked about My Immigration Tracker, I have talked about Quora. Now in addition, if you come to my website, I have tried to organize everything, my learning, as downloads. So this PR guide ebook, I have shared my personal experience of how I followed it. In fact, now some of you have asked me to make videos on different program. So what I will do is I will try to refresh every program. I'll go to Canada government's official website and I will try to look at the program, and I will also do running commentary on those programs, so that you get some free information. And for that, please drop your questions so that when I'm making those videos, I will also try to add those questions so that you know where to go and find information in a reliable way. Now I remember few years back, if you had to get your PAN card done from India, it is equivalent of SIN number in Canada, or for that matter passport, people would rely on agents. Nowadays nobody does that. They directly go onto the website and fill the form. It's super easy. Earlier people thought that it is a complex process. It was not. Similar is the case with Canada immigration. This is my first hand experience. It's very simple. You just directly deal with the government and give them what they require, and for that you really need to know what the requirement is, and everything is given in black and white. Now for someone who is super busy, okay, you would come and say that I would like to outsource. It's not a bad idea, but still you really need to know what the requirement is, because there are numerous instances where people with whom I have spoken, they have come and said that they went with the agent, and they realized that after the money was given to the agent, after that they just did not hear back from the agent, because mattered for him was getting that first payment, and with that they have made their money. Now that is why it is super important that you know what the requirement and criteria is, so that you can chase your dream. There is nobody else responsible but you, if you are thinking about coming to Canada, to make that happen. So today, as promised, I shared with you 4 super useful resources. I hope you will make use of them and find your Canada journey easier. In addition, I also introduced you to my website, where I will keep documenting my learning, so that you find everything at one place and you don't have to go and struggle finding where to find what information. And in almost all the cases, I have directed to the government website on where the information is. So friends, I hope you liked this video. Please do comment and let me know, and if you have any questions, drop me the questions. I know some of you have been reaching out to me on Instagram, and you are sending DM. I will not be able to respond there, for the matter that my comments are for the public to know, and this is how the community will get benefited. So thanks for understanding, and keep watching Canada Tried and Tested.